Hello, and thank you for being here today. My name is Renee Mallet, a healthcare attorney. Prior to law school, I was actually a practicing nurse in the emergency department and intensive care units. Today, I will be able to share my experience as a nurse and also as a practicing attorney as to why the advanced care documents are important. If you have not completed your advanced care planning documents, now would be a good time for you to hear this course, period. In completing your own advanced care planning documents, you will learn what a living will is, what a durable power of attorney for healthcare is, how to make the proper organ, tissue, and eye donation, and what a do not resuscitate order is. This conference will be able to provide you the confidence in providing advanced care planning legal services to any client that would come in for estate planning or general legal questions, period. Thank you for participating today and understanding the importance of why now, more than ever after this pandemic, for us to make sure we have our advanced care documents, as we never know when an accident or serious illness or injury would impact our lives and our family members. Welcome to Advanced Care Planning, assisting your clients in preparing for the future. This presentation includes a number of resources, including today's slides with speaker notes and resources. The COVID-19 pandemic illustrated how precious life can be. Many Americans were unprepared in knowing what their loved ones' end-of-life care wishes and preferences were. Without the preferences written or expressed, physicians and the healthcare team provided life-saving and sustaining care to all patients that entered the health system. Per a U.S. study conducted by the Conversation Project, 92% of Americans expressed it is vital to discuss their end-of-life care wishes. However, only 32% had such discussions. Over half of Americans verbalized they would be alleviated to express their end-of-life care wishes. This course will aid you in preparing your clients and their family peace of mind by declaring what their end-of-life care wishes and preferences would be. Moreover, you can further assist your clients in storing these end-of-life care documents with your client's primary care physician, any specialty physicians such as a cardiologist, oncologist, or pulmonologist, and the hospital where they would likely present for care and treatment. To make this course interactive, let's start with Janae and Mark, your new clients that just called your law firm inquiring about estate planning. After discussing their financial and estate plans, such as wills and trust, you introduce their end-of-life advanced care planning needs. Janae is 48, whom she is married to Mark, who is 58, and they live in the state of Ohio. Mark has two sons from a previous marriage, Sean and Steve, 30 and 28 years old. While Janae has a son from a prior marriage, his name is Samir, and he is 20. Janae and Mark will be seeking your counsel of their advanced care planning documents. You will be walking Janae and Mark through the various advanced care planning forms, living will, durable power of attorney for healthcare, and having a discussion what their end-of-life care preferences may be, and also organ, eye, and tissue donation. You will further define and describe what a do not resuscitate order is. What exactly is advanced care planning? Advanced care planning is a proactive, voluntary method of discussion about the type of care an individual would prefer to have should they become very ill and unable to make their healthcare decisions. These conversations are held in advance and capture the individual's preference as to what type of medical care and treatment they would like at the end of their life. Next, you provide Janae and Mark the enclosed Conversation Starter Guide that has been developed by the Conversation Project and schedule their next appointment in 2 weeks. This will allow Janae and Mark to have those conversations and express their desires at the end of life. An additional resources developed by the Center for Practical Bioethics is Caring Conversations, Making Your Healthcare Wishes Known. Caring Conversations also has a workbook for young adults. After you counsel Janae and Mark, you might want to offer this to their young adult sons who are 20, 28, and 30 for them to start thinking about their end-of-life care plans should an accident or sudden injury occur.